In this lesson, we are going to learn how to utilize class constructors in Flutter. We already learned how to define constructors and initialize instance variables. A constructor is a function that is called during the instantiation of a class variable to initialize the instance variables of the class object. The default constructor is a generative constructor, and there are many other types such as named constructor and factory constructor. Let's get started. We can use this class constructor identically in Flutter. Let's take a look at the example code. First, let's create the object class calculator in this section and set int number1 and int number2 variable in the class calculator. Second, make the class calculator's constructor with these int variables. Third, make int plus, int minus, int multifunction in this class using positional parameters num1 and num2 similar to the previous lesson. Through this int plus function, we can add two numbers, and with the int minus function, we can subtract two numbers. And with the int multifunction, we can multiply these two numbers. And then, call class calculator using constructor in this section. Through this code, we can send two int variables that we input into this box to the class's constructor. And with the cal object we initialized, we can use functions defined in the calculator class. Now, call class calculator's functions int plus, int minus, and int multi like the previous lesson. But look for the difference from the last session. The function call in this section does not have parameters. Like this, using a class with a constructor, we do not have to set parameters in the function call. Let's run this code and check the result. Like this, if we click these calculate buttons, we can plus, minus, or multiply between the two numbers through these function calls and the class constructor. Now try practicing this for yourself in Dartpad or locally and see the transition of the screen. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you next time.